Hey guys, a new fire alarm just came. It is another rebrand besides the Radionics rebranded Wheelock AS. The model number for that particular alarm is D571S 241575 Candela. Well, let's cut the fire alarm open. The shipping label comes off easy. Pretty cool. Okay. Now let's use the knife to cut into this. That doesn't cut very well. So let's use the chef style knife. It has a lot better cutting than the other blue knife. It cut a tomato with its own weight. Wow. Alright. Hopefully it didn't get the fire. Wow. Pretty hard to open it up. Yeah. Here's the receipt. Well, not receipt. Or maybe it is. Whatever it is. It's an overview of what was ordered. Now let's get the paper. Simplex time recorder company, Gardner, Massachusetts, 4901-1917. Could it be the horn? Well, made with. Could it be the horn made by Faraday? Because electromechanical horn. Alright. Let's cut it. Looks like it is. It is. Wouldn't this be a Simplex 2901-9838 type of horn? Nope. Look at the mechanism. Here, check it out. It has a circuit board. The same type of horn was made in the Simplex 4901-9805 horn and the Simplex 4903 mechanical horn series. Let's see how it looks outside. By the way, there is a plastic cover that can actually come off. That's the horn. Now, let me go get the speaker. Again, here is the Simplex horn. Whoops. I was blocking the camera beam. Hopefully the flashlight will help you see it better. Because I can see it, but not sure about y'all. Anyway, let's unscrew the... Yep. Sorry if this takes a long time. Now, if you took the covers from this thing off and switched it with the 49019805, it would actually look the same. Look, here is the horn mechanism from the Faraday horn, rebranded by Simplex. See, the circuit board actually comes off somehow. Anyways, it is also used in Gemtex's DMS mechanical horn series. Here's the front. Look how awesome it looks. Very appealing. And of course we got the same diagonal Faraday type of setup. Except the circuit board. Okay, I'm gonna stop over reiterating. And let's put the cover back on. Because I don't have a Simplex 4901 horn with the 9805 grill. Well, here is a look at it again. Well, thanks for watching. That is it. Goodbye.